welcome to Sennheiser Stand B16 Integrate 2024. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a rundown on our wireless solutions stand here, because we've got some new additions which are quite exciting for us, being traditionally a wireless company. So we thought this year we'd put a bit of a rack in to kind of show you what we've got and how they connect up and kind of keep it a bit naked. So the new kid on the block for us is this the EWDX 4-channel charger. That's been a little bit long time coming, but she's finally here and available now. So that is Dante capable. We can kick it over into AES67. We've got a 2-channel here, basically the smaller brother to this one. One of the sneaky things about this though is we can actually power that via PoE. So literally you can just plug it off a switch port. In addition to that, around the back here, we have our charger bays. If we were just going to go with a 2-bay charger, we can literally just power that via a single switch port as well. So standard PoE. So we can, in a simple rack or a deployment, you could literally have one of these charging two handheld and a body pack, for example, and literally power it straight off of a network switch with 2 ports consumed. Awesome. So with the network charger, we can link those together and cascade them. Obviously, we have to bring a power supply into play there, but we can link 5 of those units together to give us a 10-bay, and then we can bus the power and all the network capability through for telemetry feeding back into control systems. So coming back onto our EWDX system now. So this is our new RF system. It's going to supersede our G4 series. It's just an evolution in the product line. So it works on what we call an equidistant grid spacing. So if we space our channels 600K or 600 megahertz apart, we can put in 196 channels in 88 meg bandwidth. It's a huge deployment, and then we can increase that further should you get something, I don't know, like a theatre show come around or whatever. We can pop it into a link density mode to increase that and reduce that channel width down. As I say, all of them are Dante capable. We have AES encryption, which we can enable on that for some more of us, say, our sensitive corporate clients or government clients, which they can do that with. With the 4-channel, we can link 4 of those units together now, daisy chain those down in terms of RF without having to have an antenna splitter in line. Or if we really want to increase the channel count off of 2 antennas, then we can put one of these then and have 4 circuits of 4 daisy chain units. That's a lot of mics. That's a lot of mics hanging off of one. So that's pretty much our EWDX receivers in a nutshell. For a first for us in a UHF system, we've now deployed gooseneck bases. So they follow on from our Speechline series, our deck based. So, but just gives you another option in a UHF series. So you can see here, we just put a small shotgun mic on that, really handy for kind of council chambers and those kinds of situations. And then obviously we've got our standard 5-pin goosenecks or whatever if you want, where we can get the lights lighting up to show they're being active if you so wish. The other piece of kit that we've added in the EWDX range is our new install antenna. It looks basically like a WAP. So there's plenty of WAPs generally in corporate environments. It's just another white box to blend into the ceiling. So we can send power either out of the splitter to run that or off of the 4-channel receiver. And then on the base there, to negate the cable loss that you get with coax, then we can apply some different gain settings there depending on the situation, cable run and distances associated with that. We've got a few antennas here. So this is our ADP antenna. So a lot of people use it outside. It's got the slots cut in it. People say, why have you got slots cut in it? It's quite simple for wind loading, so the thing doesn't twist on the pole if it's outside. Something simple, but can save you a lot of pain. And then our wideband Omni antenna as well. A lot of people moving on to our Speechline series. So this is our deck-based product. So this is our MCR, which is very popular in the university sector. I would say that's probably our most common deployment now, using this one, to be fair. But we can pair up different channels, whether it be handhelds, body packs, or goosenecks, or even boundaries, into that for whatever solution you require, whatever scenario you require. All the chargers, obviously network, and they'll all feed back into our control cockpit system. That also goes the same for our EWDX. So you can see here, we've got our chargers there, listed with our EWDX. We've got all our transmitters highlighted, and there's obviously back end IPI that you can scrape into different control systems as well, should you wish. We can sync different settings up or on the EWX from here as well of what we want to send out when we sync the transmitter in. Actually, one thing of note is on the new syncing process for us, we don't do IR systems any longer. Hallelujah, I hear a lot of people say. So if I literally just want to sync it into a channel, let's select channel 2 here. I hit the sync button. I hit the sync button on the back of the transmitter, and I'm done. Literally, it's that simple. For frequency coordination, I can literally just go down into it here somewhere. Hang on, where am I? Oh, I've lost it here. There we go. Sorry. Sync auto setup. So I can do one of two things. I can scan individual device, or I can scan the network. So if I literally just go scan network now, we'll just get it going. And once it's done its quick scan, then it will start to deploy across these 2 units here and also onto this one. And then I can literally just go through, hit sync settings and channels and what transmitters. Speeds the whole process up. So that's giving you a quick rundown on our wireless solutions table. Feel free to come down, ask some questions. Stan B16. Thanks very much.